Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I took a trade on cash 1000 index at this zone. Basically I took a buy trade at this point and we can see I'm making a good profit. So I'll be sharing with you guys my entry strategy. I was able to get into this trade. I'll be sharing with you guys the strategy I'm using into this trade approach in this video. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the smash subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys for your contribution to the growth of the channel. It really means a lot. Let's do more, guys. So on 1000 index, what I did firstly before I took the buys on this market, on this index, I went to the high time frame. I went to the daily time frame. Basically, like I do say, whenever I want to analyze the market, to start from the high time frame. Using this is that, so we can see the market direction, the overall market direction, and we can be able to spot our zones and important levels in the market. So when I saw the market going to the upside, I had one thing in mind, which is to look out for buy opportunities. It's best to trade in the market direction. It's best to walk alongside with the market direction. So as I saw the overall market direction, what I did was that I spotted it or identified it with my trend line 2, with my trend line 2, so I can be able to identify my level of support and my level of resistance. So this was the first thing I did. Next is that I identified my zones, my level of highs and lows. So my possible level of break and retest, because we have seen the market pulling to the upside, so our focus should be on the buy side of the market. Any high that got broken, definitely a new high will be formed and a new low should follow up. So the new low formation should be our focus, our point of entry, our entry zones, because we're looking out for buy opportunities. So we're waiting for the market to give us a retest of a new low. So this is what I did. I identified my highs and lows in the market. I went to the forward time range to practically see the market clearly. So I was able to spot this zone, this particular zone. The market was creating higher lows and higher highs. There was a high at this point, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low. Like these highs are higher highs, because I've seen the market give us a high here, then the next high that formed is a higher high or was a higher high. Then what followed up is another higher high, which is making the market push to the upside, which is giving us this upward market direction. So identify this our level of highs, our resistance zones as well, because on trend lines we have our support and resistance on every trend. Like we have our horizontal level of resistance and support, we also have our trend level of support and resistance. So you can see there's a level of resistance at this point and here level of support. So I've seen the market reacting at this zone, selling off from here, selling off from here, buying off from these zones. You can see our last market approach was on our trend support, which is why we always identify our trend support, so you can be able to take advantage of the trend support, and it could be our entry levels in the market. So identify this our level. You can see the market created a new high at this point. There was a new high formation. Already had in mind the overall market direction, so my interest and focus was for the market to break out of this our new high, then give us a retest, which the market did. So the market gave us a breakout of this our new high, then gave us a retest back to our zone, like to give us a new low formation, matching up with our horizontal level of resistance turn support. So the resistance at this point, because the market was selling off from this zone, so from here now broke out of it, like a level of resistance broke and now turn support. You can see the retest at this point, then adding up with our trend support, and there's a high chance of the market bouncing off this zone as well, which the market did. So I took advantage of this market level, this market zone, so I took advantage of it. So the next thing I did to add up with my buy confluence was that I introduced my Fibonacci 2, matching up from our recent low to our recent high. You can see that we had the market bouncing off our 61.8 level, which is a nice retracement level. So you can see that when I matched up our recent low with our recent high, you can see our retracement zone and everything is aligned, both our horizontal level of support, our trend support, our Fibonacci retracement level, everything is matching up. So we can see our 61.8 level. That's exactly where the market got to and gave us a bounce off it. When we zoom in the chart, you can see that there's a candlestick bounce from this zone, like there's a candlestick wick, which is a bullish formation. You can see this candlestick formation, which is a nice formation, and this candlestick formed on the 61.8 level, So I had in mind that there would be a possible reversal in the market. So how did I get into the trade? I didn't just buy at this zone. I waited for confirmations on the lower time frame. So I went to the 1 hour time frame to see the market's formation and market structure, but I didn't really get in on the 1 hour time frame. I still went lower, but let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So we can see on the 1 hour time frame that we had the market creating these highs. There was a new high formation. We had a low at this point, and there was another low that formed. So I knew that there could be a possible reversal in the market. There could be a possible bounce off in the market, because you can see the market was creating lows at this point. Like there was a low, another low, a lower low, another lower low. Then the market failed to give us a new lower low, like to tell us that there's no more buy pressure in the market, but instead give us a move out of this our level to go from a new low, but in this case a higher low. Then this gave me another confluence, like another price action market move. I had in mind that there is a bullish presence in the market, so I saw the market giving us this double bottom formation on the new low that we found, a new higher low that we got. Remember, this was our last low that the market was creating, like lower lows. Then we had this last low. So what followed up was a higher low, which is a change of market structure. We got this our low broken, this our new low got broken, then we had a new low formation. So the market gave us this double bottom formation, which is a nice reversal formation. If the market can give us a break and retest of this our highs on this double bottom formation, that could be a possible buy opportunity. So you can see that on this double bottom formation that we got here, market gave us this low and another low, which is a nice dimensions, and double bottom formations are reversal patterns in the market. So market gave us this double bottom formation, there was a breakout of it, then a retest. I bought on the retest of this our level. So I'm expecting the market to give us a further move. You can see how nicely where the market is moving. So I'm expecting the market to give us a further move to this our zone, or to this level. There could be a further move to this our level, because we have a supply level at this zone. We have a forward supply zone at this level. So target levels at this point, I'll be holding the trade to run up to this our zone and moving in good profit basically. So that's how I was able to take the buys on Crash 1000 index, working alongside with the market's direction, identifying my levels on the daily time frame, because you have seen the market giving us these higher lows and higher highs. So I worked alongside with it. I didn't trade against the trend, like I didn't sell when the market is moving to the upside. When I saw that the market direction is an upward trend, I didn't look out for sell opportunities. My focus was on the buy side of the market, because I need the market to favor me more. I'll have a higher probability on the buy side than the sell side. So I worked alongside with the market trend. I identified my levels and zones, and I took advantage of this market formation. I matched up with my Fibonacci 2 from the lows to the highs. Then you can see our retracement levels at the 61.8 level and the 50.0 level, which is a nice retracement zones. So I took advantage of these level formations and zones. So that's why I was able to take the buys on 1000 index. I hope you're able to pick out a few things from this and add it up with your market strategy or your market approach. So if you enjoyed the video, please go to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys for always engaging in my videos. We're over 800 subscribers, and it wouldn't be possible without you guys. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.